Welcome back to the channel everyone. This is Vishnu back again yet to another vlog. This time we are going to another country. You want to see which country it is? Let's find out. So we are in Bangkok right now in DMK. So this is our destination which I talked about earlier. Currently we have 4 people here, which gonna be add up after some time as you see in this video later. So our first task is to buy one SIM card and then find a way out from DMK. So let's head out now. So guys, we decided to take this car on rent. It costed us around 1,200 bahts, and we also had to pay 8,000 baht as deposit. Currently it's a like 5-seater, but there was no way we can get 7-seater here as all of them were failed because of New Year, and the price was very much high for all of those. Cars are filled out. So right now we are going to playground hostel, and from there we'll decide what we need to do. Wow, what a song! Two more guys joined with us. As you can see, this is Abhishek and that is Dheeraj. Next 1 hour we have reached to our destination at playground hostel. As you can see, that is the playground hostel behind me. So we are just about to park our car here, and then we'll just freshen up and have some breakfast. And then we have decided to go some places. We are waiting for some of our friends. Once they arrive, we'll head to our first destinations in Bangkok. Finished up with Watford, and now we are heading towards Grand Palace. As you can see around me, it's too much humid right now. It's bright as an afternoon. Right now the time is around 12:30, and we're thinking of going to Grand Palace, and from there we'll be heading towards our next destination, that's Emerald Buddha inside the Grand Palace itself. A quick update guys, actually we didn't make it to Grand Palace because of the huge rush that we saw just now, and we decided to go to another place. So we are in search of a tuk-tuk, and once we get that, we'll go to a next destination and you'll see which one it is. Right now we are at Wat Ben. I don't know how to pronounce its name. It's pretty long in English, so I am avoiding that right now. So we'll first go here, and then we will check out and take some photographs, and then move out to another place. Let's see, maybe it will be Wat Arun. So time now is around 2 o'clock. Let me first quickly cross the traffic and go get to the other side. Let's see. So guys, we are back at water and premises. We covered Wat Ben, and from there we took one tuk-tuk and came back to Wat Pho and took a cab from there. I mean a rented car, and then we came here to Wat Arun. Just quickly stopped by to get some drink to refresh ourselves, and then we'll head back to Wat Arun.
You know the Mr. Bean.